morning, everybody. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Thanks for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here, and I hope you're happy, healthy, and safe today. I hope it's warm where you live and maybe actually spring, because it's like 28 degrees in winter where I am. But today I felt like getting creative. Didn't really know what I wanted to do, so I thought I'd bring out my random little glue book here and start gluing down some people. So that's what I got here. Let's see if I can actually make it work. There's somebody I could add maybe if I need the space. If I have a space left that I didn't know about, like this, like right now. Let's glue her down. Oops. Yeah. Today is Wednesday, April 9th, and it is so cold, and it's been like snowing off and on, like flurrying, and windy, and it's been like this for several days. It's so annoying. I've got all these plants ready to go in my garden, and I have a feeling it's going to be longer than I thought. I mean, they're not ready to go in yet, but they're going to be soon. And hopefully I'll be able to do it, because they're getting big. I don't want them to get too big in the house. I'm going to move this over just a tad bit. There. Oh, it's wrinkly. It's just more flimsy paper. Then it's almost like a newsprint. Okay, then we're going to put this beautiful lady next to them. And, yeah, so it's Wednesday, like I said, and on Friday, my daughter and family, son-in-law and kids, 2 kids are coming, and we're going to celebrate my grandson's 2nd birthday and Easter at the same time. So we're going, and they, my son-in-law's parents are coming, and some of the cousins on that side, and cousins and siblings, and on both sides of the family are coming, so I gotta get ready for that. Just to clean up. I got everything ready, I just need to clean up. And then, my daughter is doing all the birthday party prep stuff, so I don't have to worry about that, but I do need to clean my house. I believe she was there, but she looks like she's not going to fit quite. Oh dear. I knew I would end up with a spot. Well, maybe I need something just a little bigger there. What about these guys? Still too small. What about her? That would fit. See, now I'm already moving things around, and this is not that straight. Try to get it straighter. Okay, so that means that nothing is going to fit right, like I thought it would. We'll see. I'm probably going to have to pick out some more images. Now, what have you guys been doing? We'll put that there. Do you recognize these guys? It might be hard. The guitars might give it away. Alright, she was going down here, so I'm going to put her next. I do want to put this here if I can, but I have a feeling oh, now she's covering her up. I'm going to have to cut this down a little bit. We'll cut a little bit off by the head. Let's see how that works. That's better. Let's go ahead and do that. And I might put some fussy cutting things down, but that would probably mostly be flowers. I don't even know if I have any fussy cut flowers, actually. Oops, I think I need to change my gluing page. There's too much glue on this. Alright, so where'd that little one go? I was going to put this here and cut it off, but it fits perfectly, actually. I thought it was going to be too small. So let's go ahead and just glue this right down there. And I can use the other half somewhere else. I can still see like a white spot there, but oh well. So now I moved this one, so now I'm going to have to come up with something else down here. Those are so much the same. Okay. I feel like there's too much green all in one spot. I think these 2 would work here. Let's go ahead and glue these 2 down. Maybe we'll need our peanut butter guy over here. Is that what he's got, peanut butter? This is another one of those that's like newsprint. I think it's from ARP magazine, and that's very newsprinty-ish. So we're going to put this here. That didn't wrinkle up. And actually that doesn't look bad now. And she's going to go here, right like that. Maybe I should put her like this, so they're not just 2 greens next to each other. Yeah, I think I'll do that. And then we got this green, which I don't think is even going to fit in here anymore. So we're going to put her down. Oh, sun's coming out. Yay! Probably won't get any warmer, though. We're painting our kitchen cabinets. Or I should say my husband is painting our kitchen cabinets. Not right now, but he will be. They're halfway done. And I want them to be done for the birthday party because our grandson's only 2, the youngest, and he is definitely going to get into the cabinets. I know it. Okay, that looks pretty good. These guys will fit right here, so we'll do that. I'm going to probably have to find a different image for there. So I just thought, why not just do people? I usually do flowers and animals. Let's do people. I have plenty of images with people, but this is not going to fit here, and neither is this. So I need to find something that will go right there. All right, so I found this image that I thought was interesting, and I'm going to put him right here. And then I have, I don't know if you can see, but up here there's some images of objects that I thought I might be able to use as fussy cuts. And then I will try to find some words. I just got a new word phrase or phrase book from Temu that we could try to find some phrases from. But I have a couple of little teddy bears that I thought might look cute. I also really want to use this jewel, and I thought it could fit like right like this. I don't want his head to get stuck in there. And I know that's Mick Jagger. I don't know who the other guys are, what their names are. Keith Moon, I don't know. Maybe that's him. So I am gonna, let's see, maybe this would be a better spot for that. Or this. No, that covers up her head totally. Actually, I think I'm gonna put it right there because that's kind of a good spot for it. All right, let's get that glued down. I also have some little food items, but I don't know if I need them. What did I say I was going to do right here, right? Like this? I think that's it. Okay, and then I don't know if this little tiny teddy bear is even going to show up, but I got this pretty little stained glass cross that maybe I could put there. Or would it work better down here? I think I'm going to put it up there. I feel like they're not really showing up that well, though. Oh, I just ripped it. Oh, jeepers. I hate when that happens. Oh, boy. Maybe I can fix it. Okay, so we don't want... I don't remember which way this goes. Okay, like this. So we don't want it to be in anybody's face. You can kind of see... Oh, it's crooked. I don't know. It's okay. It's not the best, but I'm going to leave it there. We've got her. She shows up well. I've got this teddy bear. And I've got this teddy bear. I think he shows up the best. I also have this that I could maybe... There's too much the same color there, though. I've also got roller skates. Maybe I'll put... I don't know. I like the bear there the best, actually. So let's do that. Hopefully I won't rip up any more of my pieces. Okay, that looks good. I feel like I want to cover that up now. Okay, teddy bears, roller skates. How about... No. Nope, too much the same color. Nope. Maybe this could go here. Like that. Yeah, I think that would look good. And then, I believe I will look for some words. Okay, this is going right here. Maybe I will put the little teddy bear right there. Like, yeah. Okay, or here. No, there's too many teddy bears down there. Okay, teddy bears go in there. And I feel like I need something there, but maybe I'll have it be a word. Let's find words. Alright, so I have found some words. I got create magic, which I thought would be good for the Rolling Stones. I've got choose love, which I thought would be good for these two. I've got believe in yourself, which I thought would be good for her because she's not quite sure if she can do her taxes or not, but she's going to. She's going to do it. Dream big for this little girl. She's just kind of laying in the grass, dreaming big. And celebrate life, I thought could go maybe down here or here. That's too kind of close to that one, but I think that's good. I might find a few more, but I do want to put also a ladybug somewhere, maybe here. And I don't like that, so I'm going to put a jewel there. And my biggest jewel is a heart, so... Oh, no, I have a circle, too. That might look good. A big white circle? I don't know. It's puffy. It's quite puffy, but... Oh, that looks a lot better. All right, so we're going to do that. And I'm going to do one more look around for maybe some stickers and maybe some more words, and then I'll show you the final result. All right, so this is my final page. She says, dream big, choose love. She's in the midst of chaos, finding her calm. These guys are happy-go-lucky. Create magic, be yourself. Everyone else is taken. Celebrate life, believe in yourself. And I added a ladybug, a flower, and a butterfly. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.